Hello students, this is the continuation for the dielectric materials, and this is the last article as far as this module is concerned. So this is solid, liquid and gaseous dielectrics. So first we'll discuss about solid insulating materials. So solid insulating materials are available in extremely diverse variety. For solid insulating material, I'll write the example: mica, porcelain, glass, or synthetic materials like plastic, etc., and are inorganic, whereas cloth, rubber or paper, etc. Paper is a hygroscopic. Paper is hygroscopic, hence it is dried and uh, impregnated with minerals, oil or vegetable oils. High density papers are preferred in DC and energy storage capacitor. So this is regarding solid insulating material. Next, second is liquid insulating materials. Mainly liquid insulating materials are used in transformers, switches, circuit breakers, etc. During the working condition, the windings in an electrical device gets heated due to both AD heatings and Joule heating. Liquid insulators allow the winding to cool faster by conveying the heat efficiently to the surroundings. Examples: liquid, so here I'll write examples: liquid insulators are transformer oil, silicone fluids, viscous, there is Vaseline, and fluoroorganic fluids. Etc. And the last one, gaseous insulating. So gases are good insulators and work well as heat transferring media. Under the insulator, gaseous category falls, as you know, air, nitrogen, inert gas, hydrogen, CO2, SF6, etc. Vacuum is also considered under this category, though there is no way heat transference could be achieved. It is a general observation that air provides insulation between the overhead transmission power line without any cost. In plenty of uses, it is present as a part of electric devices, whether we plan it to be there or not. Pressure has a decided effect on the dielectric strength of all gas. Higher pressure reduces its ability to insulate. So this is regarding gaseous insulating materials.